Welcome to eTutions, your online teaching platform. Let's schedule your classes step by step. Open your web browser. In the search bar, type www.etutions.com and press Enter. On the top right corner, you'll see the Login button. Click on it. Now, enter your username, email, and password, then click Login. Great. You're now in your teacher dashboard. Click on Class Schedules. To schedule a class, click on Add New Schedule. Select the students, board, subject, start time, and you can also select multiple dates for your class. Then click Submit. To view your upcoming classes, go back to the dashboard. Here, you'll see all your scheduled classes. To make changes to a scheduled class, click on the pencil icon next to it. You can adjust the timing as needed. To start a scheduled class, click on Start Class and confirm by clicking I am ready to begin. A new tab will open to launch a Zoom meeting. You can choose to launch it with the Zoom application or directly in your browser. That's it. You've successfully scheduled and started your class on eTutions. Thanks for watching.